Hello everyone! Start off by tying a ponytail to the hair, then lift up this ponytail and through the side insert decorative clip as such. Now at the top add a rubber band and push the top section downward as such. Use a bobby pin in order to do so. Tie a ponytail to the hair, lift up this ponytail and then fasten this ponytail in place by pushing down a multiple prong decorative pin to it. Push down the top portion of the hair as well using a decorative multiple prong pin. Next, take a multi-level clip and then afterwards take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back and then lift this upwards. Make three sections out of the bottom of the hair, twist it and then insert it into each of the levels of this clip. Taking the top section, add a multiple prong pin to it at the top. Next, we will start off by tying a ponytail to the hair and then on the last loop make a small bump out of it. Take the rest of the hair and then wrap it around the bun you've created, twist it and then wrap it around the bun once more. Insert the loose ends underneath it. Next, take a multi-level clip, tie a ponytail to the hair and then clip up this multi-level clip to the top. Divide the ponytail into three parts and then twist each of these sections and then insert them into each of the levels of the clip. At the top, add a rubber band to the hair and then fasten it downwards by adding a multiple prong pin to it. Next, start off by tying a ponytail, divide this ponytail into two parts, add a rubber band to the middle of each of these two parts, roll the hair in on itself. Add a rubber band at the bottom, once more roll the hair in on itself, wrap it around the bun, take the excess amount of hair that is present, add a rubber band and then insert it underneath. Use a decorative pin to the bottom of it as such. Next, start off by tying a ponytail to the hair, braid it, lift it up and tie it up in place. At the bottom, add a rubber band, roll the hair in on itself, wrap it around the braid as such. Divide the rest of the hair into two parts and then wrap it around. Insert it into place. Now add a decorative clip to it. Next, we will start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself as such, and then add a decorative clip on top of this. Next, we will start off by adding a low ponytail to the hair and then add another rubber band in the middle, roll this upwards and then add your clip on top of this. As for the top, tie a rubber band to it and fasten it in place using a bobby pin. Next, take a multi-level clip, clip it up at the back by taking a section from the right side, then make three sections on the left side, twist each of these sections and then insert them into each of the levels of the clip as such. Comb the rest of the hair into place. Next, start off by gathering the hair together into a ponytail, loosen this ponytail and then roll this ponytail in on itself. Now cover up the gaps and then add a rubber band at the bottom and then roll it upwards once you're done with this. Make it into a bun and then fasten it in place using a decorative pin on top of this. Next, we will start off by tying a ponytail to the hair and then on the last round or last loop with the rubber band, make a small bud out of it as such. Add a rubber band to the bottom and then roll it upwards, wrap it around the bun at the top and then use a decorative multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in its place. Tie a ponytail to the hair and then once you tie a ponytail, add a rubber band to the middle section of it. Now once you do so, loosen it and then make a bun out of it, lift it upwards and then add a decorative pin to it on top of this. Next, we will start off by taking a multi-level clip, add it to the middle section, then take two sections of the hair from either side, twist each of these sections, add it into the middle level of the clip, take a section from the left side, twist it, insert it into the left side of the clip, and then take a section from the right side, insert it into the right side of the clip. Next, start off by gathering all of the hair together and then wrap it around the finger in order to make a bun. Afterwards, add a decorative clip on top of this. Thank you for watching.